How do you build a profitable affiliate business if you've never made a sale before? That's the question so many beginners ask, and it's a great one. The truth is, most people fail at affiliate marketing not because they don't try hard, but because they get overwhelmed with all the moving parts. Building websites, writing copy, creating email sequences, setting up webinars, and figuring out what products to even promote. This is exactly why the ClickBank Super Funnel was created. Instead of forcing you to learn all the tech, all the copywriting, all the product creation from scratch, it gives you a complete done-for-you system that's already proven to generate sales. Here's what makes it powerful. It comes with a pre-built landing pages designed to capture leads. It has automated email sequences that follow up with your prospects so you're building a list while also building trust. It includes high converting offers, including high ticket products presented through done for you webinars that sell for you automatically. And it handles all the parts beginners dread, like customer support, refunds, and product delivery. So instead of spending months building from scratch, you can focus on the one thing that actually grow your business, getting traffic in the funnel. From there, the super funnel does the heavy lifting 24/7, turning cold clicks into warm leads and warm leads into paying customers. If you've never made a sale before, this system lets you skip the hard part and start with something that's already working. Click the link below right now to discover how you can plug into the ClickBank Super Funnel and finally start building a profitable affiliate business, even if you're starting at zero.